10,000 tick trap. $10,000 tick trap.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got brawls in Atlanta, twisting dope, lean, and a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. Good morning, everybody. We just finished the pre-market show. Always have a great time there. Day trading like a predator. Good morning. Abdul, good morning. Hugh, welcome. Shayak, Mike G. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Also drop a GM in the chat for good morning or good afternoon, depending where you guys are from. Aaron Core, good morning. Zahiri, good morning, guys. TK, welcome, welcome. Mike Thompson, good morning. Aaron Korn, welcome. Wayne Bicknell, welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Pandas. Tough news. Yesterday, I got hit with 4 big mamas. And sorry to say, my accounts could not withstand the pain of 4 big mamas losing. The FOMC smacked around Big Mama, and and I felt all the pain. So Big Mama got hit here. 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row. Big Mama, boom, 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 boom. And along with that, the day before, Big Mama losing 3 times as well, or the 2 days before, you got Big Mama failing here and also failing here. And yeah, Big Mama failing here and here. So down here and up here and right here. So you got 3 Big Mamas failing there. You got 4 Big Mamas failing on FOMC day. And between there, we only had 1 single win. And it just was not enough. Was not enough. My accounts could not withstand because I was trading too large. And so Pandas. Pandas. Hey, it's all good, Pandas. We got to 1 withdrawal. You know what that means? That means we're playing with house money, Pandas. We're playing with house money. And it just means that, what did you really lose? What did we really lose? We lost a couple fees. Risk-free trading. So we're going to start again with a 50K account. And this time I'm going to use 50K because, Pandas, if you guys notice, when I was trading, I had to keep my account size above 7,600. And that is just, for me, it's just too high. It's just too much to keep it above there. And so for me, I'd rather be in a place where I can withdraw very quickly. And so I want to be able to get that bamboo much quicker. So with that 50K account, at the end, the only difference is once you can get to a PA account, and if you get enough buffer in your account balance, the only difference is at that point is how many contracts you can trade. And so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to do a 50K account here, and we're going to try to get this as high as possible. But right now, this is an eval. This is an eval. We're starting from brand new, and we're going to try to get this 50K passed, and we're going to try to see what we can do here. Pass a 50K account, turn it to a PA account, and then I'll try to get funded or try to get a withdrawal. So let's just say the 300K account journey to withdrawal challenge was completed, and we're starting a new challenge, Pandas. We're starting a new challenge. Let's just say the 300K account, the challenge was to get to 1 withdrawal, even though I never said so, and that's not really what the purpose of that was. But Pandas, and as you have noticed, I have changed my thumbnail. You guys probably didn't realize, but the thumbnail now says we're trading with the best community on YouTube verified. Not even the most profitable trader, but we'll get there again, Pandas. We'll get there again. We're still playing with house money, so we're okay. And Pandas, I mean, this is what happens when you bust your account. I know it sucks. It sucks to bust a PA account, but hey, at the end with BBM 80, really, what do you lose? That's why this is risk-free trading. What do you really lose? We had an amazing opportunity to really pull out a lot of money and to keep that account alive. But Pandas, I did not expect 4 big mamas to fail. I really did not. And unfortunately, it just was not enough for my account to handle. And I think I just gotta stay away. I gotta implement a little more rules for Big Mama, especially for days like yesterday, when the FOMC really controlled the market. and really messed things up. It really messed things up. So I mean, I may just stay away from FOMC days with big mamas, just in general. Just stay away from, just because I will basically never forget. Yet, like, I will never forget yesterday. I will never forget the fact that yes, it is possible to lose four big mamas in a row, and you gotta be able to withstand that. In fact, there were five big mamas. I mean, another big mama does fail here, so I gotta make some rules in terms of a couple more rules, I think. And if you want to, and we already talked about in the pre-market show, like over the extra rules that can help protect us from days like yesterday, help protect us even from big mamas like this triggering and failing here. So we talked about that already in the pre-market show. And if you guys like to hear more discussion about big mamas, like exactly my thinking behind them, then you guys can join the pre-market show, and it is what it is. I'm not sure big mama. A lot of people want to trade big mama just because we saw that it did bust my accounts when I just traded them indiscriminately. Just trading them, just take every single one. So it is what it is. But pandas, hey, support this channel. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Bye money needs some AdSense money. I need some AdSense money to get to fund this account here. Do appreciate it. But pandas, hey, what does that mean? That means we get to start a new journey, the 50K account. But the nice thing about the 50K account, pandas, like I mentioned, is at the end it's no different than the 300K account. In fact, it's probably better because rarely will I trade more than 10 contracts, and the only difference really is you get more trailing threshold. But the disadvantage is with the bigger trailing threshold, you need to make more money in order to withdraw. And so the 50K account is better because you get to be able to withdraw at just $2,600 instead of $7,600.
10,000 tick trap.
That's why it took so long to withdraw from the 300K account, because essentially to pass the 300K account and to get to a point withdrawal, you need to make $27,600 just to get withdrawal, because you need to pass the eval. You gotta make 20,000, and then you got to what is it, make 7,600. So you got to do all of that without ever hitting the trailing threshold. And so and you know, with the 50K account, you need to make $3,000 and then $2,600. So at the end, you need to make $5,600, which is significantly less. And the only difference really is that you can only trade 10 contracts at a time instead of 35, which is, no one really trades. I don't know. I don't trade 35 contracts. So Market's about to open in 1 minute. Pandas, all I know right now, the only thing that matters is our next setup, Pandas. Market's opened. Huge gap on the 5-minute chart. Huge gap. I mean, you're thinking new all-time high territory at this point. Really, what's going to stop you from reaching the new all-time, making new all-time high? This has been on a tear.
10,000
The market loves raising interest rates. Oh, we're going to raise interest rates? Great. Great. Maybe they're thinking as long as interest rates are below inflation, like true inflation, then they don't care. But Pandas, you know what? At least you guys got to see. It is possible. It is possible to get funded. It is possible to get to a point of withdrawal. Even a panda can do it. Even a panda can do it. If a panda can do it, you guys can do it. Let's hope we get some good price action today, Pandas. But rest in peace. Rest in peace to the stream account. It was such a good friend. We've known each other for so long. And then FOMC came and just assassinated it. What a good friend. What a good friend the stream account was. I was waiting for a setup there. Fail second just short, but never came. Do I still want the fail second entry short? I just want to go long now. I just want to buy anything, everything. No entries for me here. Wild. No entries. Fail second entry short. It's a bit high though. We need to get closer to 20 EMA here. Phoenix is, yeah, Panda. Blue 3 of mine yesterday too. No worries though. Still the most profitable YouTuber verified.
10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, what the? What was that? Why? Why is this market so just weird these days? Such a strong push down. Second entry long. The risk is small, and it's a uptrend here, and we got a second entry long with a good signal bar. The bar before it's terrible, and it looks like it's about to trap me out here. All good. The risk was very small, so it's all good. This is about taking me out. That's unfortunate.
10,000 tick trap.
Something smells funny here. Something smells a little bit funky. Something is not right now. Something's very weird. Okay. Doesn't take me out, actually. Okay. The risk is small enough. I don't mind getting hit here. Pez, let's just say the 300K challenge was completed. I passed the eval, got funded, and withdrew. that was the challenge for the 300K account. So challenge passed. It's a retroactive challenge. That was not the purpose of it, but it is now. And now guess what, pandas? We're starting a new journey. That's all that was. We're just starting a new journey now. Could have came out break even, maybe. Looks like it's gonna hit me here. He's very surprised if I survive this. Very surprised. Yep, it's gonna hit me. Oh, good, pandas. I saw a second entry long. Had to take it. On an uptrend. Whoa. Reload historical. Takes me out. It might go up now. Break a trend, new low. High. Looking for a new high still. It's going really sideways. Going in and out of 20 May. Just gonna sit on my pause here. That was really funky. I should have not taken it because this huge bear bar probably should have scared me to not go long. And expected a new low here. Right, new low created. Maybe a higher low setup, I'll be interested. I was really eager to go long, like up this entire bull leg. So I finally got an opportunity, I just kind of took it. Wait. Hold up, pandas. Hold up. Pandas. I reloaded my historical. And that second entry long doesn't even exist. I got bamboozled. Pandas, what the? That secondary law doesn't even exist here. I've been tricked. I just reloaded my historical. Something happened weird right here, and I think it messed up my charts. That's what I said. Something smelled funky. When I entered this trade, I was like, something smells funky here. This doesn't seem right. Philip asks, how much did I withdraw? I withdrew 500, the minimum. I could have withdrawn max, but actually, I was trying to keep the account alive. But fortunately, FOMC said no. FOMC day slapped around Big Mama, and it's duly noted. Duly noted. Now I know. Now I know. Okay, we're in this triangle. We could break out of it right here. I wouldn't be surprised if we did. But I would just like a setup to break out of it, but I don't have one here. Maybe a higher low setup. And as we are starting a new 50K journey. Welcome, guys. We are starting on a new 50K journey. We passed the 300K challenge, pandas. We got to withdrawal, and now we're starting a new journey, a new challenge. That's what we're doing. I gotta call this a new challenge. Hey, Pants, the past is the past. Don't worry about the past. Just look at the future. Right now, we are focused on the 50K challenge here. At the end, BBM 80. So take advantage of while it still lasts. FOMC did mess me up a little bit yesterday. Not a little bit, it messed me up a lot, and it is what it is. Pandas, we're starting a brand new 50K account here, and we're gonna get past the eval, and we're going to get funded here. And we are ready to rock and roll. This is why I like the 50K account. If you guys remember, on the 300K account, I had to keep my account balance above 7,600 just to be able to withdraw. But with the 50K account, you just need to keep it up above 2,600 to be able to withdraw. And the nice thing is about that is that it comes with 10 contracts. You could trade 50, right? With the 50K account, you could trade 10 contracts. I mean, ratio-wise, that's amazing. The ratio on the 300K account is only 35 contracts, which is almost 1-to-1. But with the 50K account, the contract size is 10. You can do 10 contracts, which is 2-to-1. So the 50K account in terms, and once you get a certain buffer in your account, it does not matter which account size you have. They all act the same. They all act the same. The only difference is the amount of contracts you can trade and how much you need to be able to withdraw. And with the 50K account, 10 contracts is plenty. Plus, you only need 2,600 to be able to withdraw, rather than 7,600 to withdraw. So the 50K account is almost better in every single way than the 300K account. I know the 300K account sounds glamorous, but the 50K account, it has enough threshold for you, plus Like the value is the best, right? Enough threshold for you to be able to trade, enough contracts for you to be able to go big if you want to, and the withdrawal amount is small enough where you can withdraw from it easily. Congratulations, Turtles. Congratulations. Hey, everyone congratulate Turtles. Hope everything went well. I mean, we are in this triangle just like grinding it out here. I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go up a lot. A lot. Man, should I just do max contracts and try to pass this in one trade? This is too good to pass up here. I'm going to take this trap. I'm going to take it with 2 because I think I can get a runner here. To me, nothing is going to stop this from going up. Nothing can stop this from going up higher. Nothing. It's not nothing can't, but there's nothing. There is nothing. It's getting very choppy here, so there's one reason not to enter this trade. But I'm doing a breakout trade here. The thing about breakout trades is sometimes they don't even give you a scalp. But once they work very well. In this trade, I rolled 2, so I think we can have a runner if this really does break out here. Trap trade right at the top of this triangle. It doesn't look like it's gonna break out here.
10,000 tick trap.
Oh.
5-minute trap.
Oh man, I love trading. I love it. What slippage was that? The slippage was insane. It was more than a point. It was a point and a quarter. I love trading. It's so fun. It's so fun. So easy. Today is just not in, huh? I mean, hey, I took the chance. I was like, all right, either we break out or we reverse, and I took the chance to go up higher. And that's why I don't trade breakouts. Let this be a lesson to everybody. Let this be a lesson. Don't trade breakouts. Nah, you can trade breakouts.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay. Well, since that didn't work out as planned, the reason why that doesn't break up to the upside is because we're in the uptrend. And these triangles typically continue the original trend. So I figured, all right, let's go with the side that typically does break out. And I was wrong, very wrong. And the market made that very clear by giving me more than a point slippage. So that's why slippage is crazy, pandas. That's crazy. That's slippage. More than a point slippage. I mean, it's not even like there was news. Like, I understand there's news, you get like 2-3 points maybe, but with no news, just random price action, I get more than a point slippage there. That is wild. That is really wild. Yeah, Michael Chin trapped me. He got me. Michael! I mean, you're thinking uptrend, but maybe just trading range now. Jeez. I got hit twice. Hit here. Second. Well, I thought it was a second entry long, but now I got to reload my historical again because actually this quick move down, something very similar happened here. This quick move down. I just realized that. With these two quick move down bars. Essentially breakdown bars. Gabrielle says, instead of breakouts with strategy, just scalping. Scalping two leggies off the 20 EMA, essentially. The last few days has been seriously a big mama equalizer. I mean, truly, big mama, it was tested. It basically made like everything break even. Incredible. Okay. One thing that could have prevented me entering this trade is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 overlapping
tick
bars.
trap.
That could have stopped me from entering that trade. Should have. I felt like, all right, if we're gonna break out, let's do it. Let's try to take it. And this is the only thing that really bothers me about this is the slippage. The slippage was huge on that. Wow, what is this? All right, trading range. Charles says, maybe it's better that I was away this week. 100%. Bill 7 says, Panda, I had to completely start over earlier this week. I took advantage of the even 80 discount and purchased a 300k valid account. Yesterday was rough, but I'm only down 149 for the past 3 days. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. Hey, being down 149, hey, you're doing better than a certain Panda I know. Second entry long does trigger on the 10,000 tick chart. It may be worth taking. Going back into this triangle here. I like to come back to the top of the trading range if possible. I just need some sort of setup here. Strong bear bar. Every move to the downside has been pretty violent. Like boom, boom, boom. But not much follow through. Boom, no follow through. Boom, no follow through. If anything, the only time we're getting multiple bars are the bull bars. Multiple green bars here. We're getting multiple bear bars here though now.
5-minute trap.
Higher low setup. Could be very risky here. We'll take it. Higher low after strong bear bar. Bottom of a trading range. You're thinking you want at least a second. I want a second entry. I want a second entry long. Give me a second entry long. Give me that second entry long. Higher low after an H4 as well. I don't know. Retesting the bottom of the trading range before getting back to the top. Usually means bearish. There's more selling pressure here. Okay. Trap might trigger on a 10,000 tick. Trap triggers 10,000 tick chart. Outside bar reversal. Starting to push down now here.
10,000 tick trap.
10,000 tick chart. See the trap here. On the 20 EMA now. 5-minute chart. Just floating in midair. I mean, look how far away it is from the gap, the previous day's close. Huge gap here. Decent push up here. I mean, I could try to get back to the top of the trading range thinking this is some sort of double bottom. But I would like a higher low. I would like a higher low setup here. Right, the first entry, typically, it's not the best. Second entry is better here. Right, we'll get a second entry long. A, B, C, second entry long. Potentially. Tara tells yes, take care. Hope the baby is good and healthy. Only 3 days left to use the BBM 80 promo. Make sure you guys take advantage of it. Mo7 says his 5-minute looks different than mine. My 5-minute has gaps because I only do regular trading hours. You can change that in the data series if you want. Some people like it, but for me, the price action on the off hours or Globex, it's just not useful for me. Not for the 5-minute at least. It's useful, I think, on a 2000 tick chart. It just takes a very long time for each candle to finish, but for the most part, it looks the same. Like if I told you, you know, this happened during the, you know, Globex session, you just wouldn't know. You couldn't tell. This looks like the regular trading hours here. Even though this is kind of an exception, but still, it's hard to tell. And then once it turned to the regular trading hours, it's hard to tell once it converts. So the tick charts are very consistent, even in Globex. It's just a lot less candles. Already turning out to be a great trading day, just negative 400. The move down is crazy. These move downs are crazy. It's just super fast. Second entry long here. Just looks very choppy.
10,000 tick trap.
I think we're in trading range, so I'm going to trade it like a trading range. It's a higher low, second entry long. The risk reward is pretty decent as well. Back to the top. It's a 1-to-1 here. Most likely scale in if we get a higher low set up here, like a failed trap. Just watching. It's a second entry short here. Pikachu trade. If we get another push up, I'll be entering another contract here as a failed reversal or failed trap here. And if this goes down, then we might just be in a downtrend, and it is what it is. But I'm going to try to trade this like a trading range, as we see here. Trading range price action. It doesn't look good for me as a long, especially when it looks like this. But my final straw is basically if we break this low, I feel like, all right, my premise is wrong. Looks like it wants to hit me. Alright. It is what it is. I tried to trade a trading range. And I am wrong. This might be a downtrend now. Huh. Okay. I really thought we can be in trading range, but I mean, we still could be. But I gotta take the setup for the trading range, right? I gotta take the high or low setup, and that's it. Now I'm thinking maybe downtrend, unsure. We also were on the 10,000 tick chart on the 20 EMA on the 10,000 tick. Thought there'd be some support there. 5 minutes floating in the middle of nowhere. No idea what's happening. Just watching. Yep. All right. Continue to push down. Maybe downtrend now. Oh, lots of overlapping bars. The bars are teeny as well. I know they look kind of large, but they're not that big. Keeps pushing down. There's no entries for me now. Maybe I should just short anywhere, everywhere. Every time we just get a pullback back up. Okay. Huh. Very cool price action. We're witnessing something great here. Just kidding, of course. Absolutely nothing is happening. No entries for me. Second entry short. Is that what I'm looking for now? If we can get one. It's too choppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars now. But at least you're going with trend if you went short here. It's just also the bottom of this channel. I'm not saying it can't go down. I'm just saying it might not go down. Regardless, I have no entries here. Pandas, 4 big mamas failing. Man, what are the chances of that? FOMC just slapped around big mama. Man, oh man. Okay, got a lot of dojis and straight up choppy price action. We're just watching this. Just sit on your paws. I have nothing here. Tried a couple attempts to go long, and each attempt has failed. So I'm gonna try to go short now. Chuma asks, which is your primary chart, 2000 tick or 5 minute? I'll say 2000 tick. I like the 5 minute, but it's just way less setups. Okay, we're pushing down here. It's incredible. Just really nice. Just nothing to do here for me though. I'm gonna go short, but I just have no opportunity. Clay Crumb says, past 50K yesterday. Tough reads this morning. What is this? 3 losses in a row. Let's just begin this eval the best way possible. I usually stop trading, but it says an eval. I'm going to continue. So many dojis. This is completely choppy here. Paper demo guru Laugh out loud, you're trading minis on the 50K? Yep. It's an eval. Hey guys. Don't worry about Don't worry about the past. It's all about looking forward into the future, pandas. Don't worry about the past. It's all about right now, what's happening right now. That's what's important. We got a 50K challenge now. We're going to pass this eval, and then we're going to get funded, and we're going to have another stream account. And 50K is better than 300K. Why? Because 300K is just way too much. You need way too much to withdraw. Terrible looking signal bar. Way too much to withdraw from them. And it's been really choppy here. I'm just going to sit on my pause. I'm not going to take this trade. With the 50K account, you only need 2,600 in order to withdraw. So it's much better. At the end, it doesn't really matter if you have a 50K or 300K account. All that matters is how much profit you can make in your account.
10,000
like you can have $1 million account, but if you can't get profit in your account, then it doesn't matter. The 50K account or the 300K account, if I have the only difference between the 50K and the 300K account, if I have PA accounts, is that on the 50K account, let's say I make $5,000 on the 50K account, $5,000 on the 300K account. The only difference is this between the two. I can withdraw from the 50K account. I cannot withdraw from the 300K account. That's the only difference. That and you know, I'm not, you know, you could trade up to 10 contracts on the 50K account, and that's more than enough for me. Lower high, but man, this is finding a lot of support here. I can't really trade this. It's a lower high setup. I like the lower high. I like the lower high because it's going with trend off the 20 MA. I'll take it. The risk is so teeny. The risk is teeny weeny here. We can come back up to retest this, right? This area here, which I wouldn't be surprised if we do. That's kind of why I'm hesitating to go short here. Plus all this chop here. All right, Pan. Let's try to get 4 losses in a row. That's the goal here. 4 losses in a row. That's what I'm trying to do. Come on, 4 losses in a row. You can do it. You can do it. 4 losses in a row. Come on. Need that 4th loss in a row. I want that 4th loss in a row because you know what, Pandas? You can't get better. You can't get better unless you make mistakes. So let me get that 4th loss in a row. That means I'm gonna become really good because I'm just getting better every single day. Let me get that 4th loss in a row, please. That's all I ask for. Let me get 4 losses in a row. That's what I want. It's a second entry short, lower high setup. I took it. On a downtrend. Way too choppy. I figured the risk is so small. I don't mind it. It's not even 2-point risk. So even if I lose it, I mean, whatever. I mean, I'm trying to lose it at this point. But unfortunately, the market's not going to take me out, it seems like. I wanted to get 4 losses in a row, Pandas. Sorry I couldn't do it for you guys. What? That's right. That's what I thought. Don't dare give me profit. Don't dare allow me to win a trade today. Don't even think about allowing me to win a trade today. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? Who am I? How dare you? Market, what are you doing? I'm trying to get 4 losses in a row. You're not helping the cause. Come on, 4 losses in a row. Please. Please, 4 losses in a row. Pandas, I'm sorry. I failed you. I was trying to get 4 losses in a row. I couldn't do it. Even when I try to lose, I can't lose. Let's go, baby. I'll take it. I'll take it. Whatever. I was trying to lose. I'm sorry I failed you guys. How dare you allow me to win? I just wanted 4 losses in a row, but you allow me to win. How dare you?
5-minute trap.
We made some bamboo back, Pandas. Made a little bit back. I mean, the risk was so small. It wasn't even 2-point risk, so I just took it. I took it. Plus, I got that retracement. If I didn't get that retracement, actually, I don't know if I got filled. It'd been a perfect scout. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart. H4 setup on the 10,000 tick chart. Rock runs. So some guys can't do anything right. Man, I was trying to lose that. I'm sorry, Pandas. I mean, I'm just never right. I'm never right. I'm never right. Even when I want to lose, I'm not right. If I want to win, I'm not right. I got to just do everything opposite. I'm doing double position here because of H4 on the 10K and second entry long on the 5-minute. So it's double here for both of those. Barely enough room to this pivot low here, which is a problem because it can act as resistance now. Micro double bottom. Do not copy my trades. Unless you want to make tons of money. If you want to make tons of money, copy my trades. Forget about it. Forget about it. Just you didn't see anything. Nothing to see here, Pandas. I did not have an order up there. Just don't worry about it, Pandas. Don't worry. Don't worry. That's why you gotta let the setup trigger. You can't front run it. You gotta let it trigger. Okay, decent push down. Wow, how's this? Look at this marvelous price action. Let me try to get to 20 EMA here. I wouldn't be surprised if it does. It makes sense too. We're so far away from it. We can bounce off right. We can bounce right off of it as well. If you guys don't know, the trading threshold for the 50K account is 2,500, and I'm showing you the threshold on the top left, and you can see that I've made 0 profit so far on this account. So I still have the full threshold, which I calculated. I did that on purpose. That was intentional. And we're gonna start with a nice negative 500 on this account. Nice red 500. You know what? It's nice, right? If you have a negative day, then you can kind of like get used to it. And you say, hey, it's okay. It's okay to be red. We'll move on. Next day, it's going to be better. It's a marathon, guys. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. It is a marathon. Incredible move down though. Jeez. Oh, almost gonna buy with limit orders on the 20 MA on the 5 minute. I want to buy with limit orders here. Maybe 2. Two limit orders on the 20 EMA on the 5 minute chart. We might not even get to it. Could reverse all the 240 SMA on the 2000 tick. There is a reason why I have it on the charts. Boom. Launches off of it. We're on it again here. I wouldn't mind another push down because hopefully I can get filled on my on the 5 minute chart. By the way, if you want to attach your order to an indicator, you can get the order. I'll take it off right now. Get the order, hold control, and it will attach to any plots there are. So you can see that the previous day's high is a plot. You can see the 20 EMA is a plot, and it just snaps onto the closest plot. You can see the super signal is a plot. The trading range indicators also has 2 plots, so you can buy the bottom, sell the top. So these are plots that it attaches to, and if you select it, then it asks you if you want to offset, and if you want to offset it at all. I just said no. I'm just gonna fill it if I get it, and it is what it is. Mo7 says his orders merged. If you want to stop it from merging, right click your chart trader, go to properties, and you gotta select keep selected ATM strategy template. Keep selected ATM template, and I believe that will keep them separated. We're so close to getting filled here. I would love to get filled on the 5 minute chart. Strong bear bar though, which sucks. I may just buy the close of the bar if I don't get filled. Okay. Almost fills me. Almost fills me. People buying it up. Hey. Hey. Where are you going? It's going without me. Hey, makes 2 points. Darn. People bought the limit orders at the bottom of this bar. It's got about 2 points already. Hey. Don't know. What's going on? Just sticking to the plan. If I don't get filled, I don't get filled. I'll move on. It's dancing though. It's really dancing. It's it's making a ledge here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits all in one single spot here. Another ledge. Jeez. 5 hits all in the exact same spot. Yeah, absolutely incredible. I guess I won't get filled, pandas. It's gonna go without me, huh? So close. 2 ticks away. Make sure you guys take advantage of BBM80. 80% off all Apex evals. And that is why I trade risk-free. This is why we're starting the 50k account challenge.
$10,000 tick trap.
I think it's going to go without me, pandas. It doesn't fill me. 2 ticks away from filling me. I mean, I put it on the 20 EMA. I put it right on it. Unfortunately, it might go without me here. Jerry Westbrook is not a paid actor. The first indicator you should get is the two-legged pullback indicator. You can find it at the official website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. It's the one that you see here with all the numbers. Helps you count legs. Helps you identify traps. Identify our favorite setups. Second entry short, second entry long. Also, trading range indicator. Great as well. Darn, missed this move. Missed this small scalp here. I mean, there's nothing I could have done about that, pandas. Like, I had it in the right spot and just didn't happen to touch it. About 1 or 2 ticks away from the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. And that's where I wanted to buy, and it never got to it, so I hold it. You know, it's unfortunate it's doing this right now because you're thinking next time, hey, I'm going to change my plan up and I'm going to front run it a little bit. But that is not the right thing to do. The right thing to do is what I did. Even though it's going on without us, you got to still stick to the plan. So even though it is going up, unfortunately it doesn't fill us first. So it is what it is. I got tired of the, the 300k challenge. We already got the withdrawal. Now to start a new challenge with everybody here. All the new people here get to see a brand spanking new challenge here. Second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Jeez, though. It's quite a long. It's a really long second entry long. I don't like it. A, B, C. E. We're at the 20 MA though, at least. Huh. Okay, second entry long on the 20 EMA, but we're still in this downtrend. It's like picture perfect. I mean, this doesn't happen in real life. Like a perfect, like, you know, if you just sell at the top of this channel every single time, you would have done great. I mean, that doesn't happen in real life, you know. Rarely does that actually happen like this, and today just happens to be one of those days. Second entry long triggers on the 5-minute chart. A, B, C, off the 20 EMA. Good signal bar. Good looking signal bar, too. I just don't like how the second entry long looks like. It's super huge. It's like a 20-point second entry long. Highest point is like 46.32. No, yeah, it's like 20, almost 20 points second entry long.
10,000 tick trap.
I'm just not gonna take that. Sorry. It seems more like a downtrend than anything at this point. But darn, I mean, we did miss. We couldn't get into the entry. That'd been a nice little scalp there. Unfortunately, it goes without us. High or low setup? Do I like it? No. I will never take the setup. Second entry long, on the other hand, maybe. Undershoot leading to an overshoot. Like slight undershoot leading to an overshoot here. Okay, second entry long fails or disappears. You can still do a fail second entry short if you like this long setup. 10,000 tick chart, trading range is still intact. Trading range indicator giving us a trading range saying we could possibly come all the way back up to the top of this trading range still. 5-minute chart just bounces off the 20 EMA. Believe it or not, the trading range is intact still on the 5-minute chart as well. Absolutely incredible. Still intact on the 5-minute. Decent push up here. It's tight trading range right now. Or tight channel, sorry. Bull channel. Darn, I really wanted that entry. I missed it by 2 ticks. It's all good though, pandas. What can you do? You could be always in long right now in the 5-minute. Possibly. Possibly always in long. I'm gonna sit on my pause though. We had quite a strong move down. Thinking maybe one more push down could really make this a nice long setup now, but Okay, well, I mean, what do I know? I'm a panda.
Five-minute trap.
If you're really like long here, maybe fail second just short, it might be a good trade. You're thinking, right? First break a trend to new low. And you see a ledge here. This ledge could be a very important price. Market can come back down to this ledge at any point in time. Huh. Fail second entry short here. Second entry long is still a better setup. Doesn't quite touch the 20 EMA. To trap or not to trap? That is the question. Content? It is an eval. It is an eval. Always in long, maybe on the 5-minute. Maybe. Huh. A little bit choppy now. 4 overlapping bars in a row. I mean, it's quite a strong move down. You're thinking it might want to retest the bottom here. So I'm not really looking for a long trade. But content. GR asks, what did I say my trading hours are set to? RTH. Regular trading hours. US equities RTH. Content! I'm regretting this immediately. I have buyer's remorse. Oh boy. Oh boy, buyer's remorse. I'm regretting this. For the content. Come on. I mean, it looks like potentially it could go up. Oh, that's not good. That is not what you want to see in a trap trade. In a trap trade, you want to see it blast off immediately. If it starts to stall out like this, that's not good. What should I do? Skunk it? Skunk it? Skunk it? Oh boy. That's not good.
5-minute trap.
Oh. Oh. I gotta skunk this, pandas. I gotta skunk it. I think I gotta skunk this. No, I'm holding it. Content. Last trade of the day. Content. Come on. Always in long 5-minute chart. That's what I'm hoping for. Solid push up here. That's what I'm looking for right now, pandas. I need to break the previous candle's high. Trigger the trap. Trap, trap, trap. This fails. This fails. This fails. Oh, panda. It doesn't look that pretty still. It doesn't look that pretty still. Strong bull bar ending on its high would be nice. Ooh. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Pandas. 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 One tick away. Why? Why must you be one tick away? Come on. Fill this tick. Please. Fill this tick. I just need one tick. Come on, one more tick. Oh, it touches it. What? 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 It touches it. Ah, stabs it. What? Ah. Pandas. What's going on? Come back. Come back. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What? It stabbed it. Tick shot. But doesn't fill me. I mean, if you want to give me free money, I'll take it. If you want to give me free money, I'll take it. Pandas! Ah! Should I skunk it? I should skunk this, huh? I'm gonna let this candle finish. I'm gonna let this candle finish. I'm gonna let this candle finish. It's gonna be one tick of free money, but I think it's gonna be free. I think it's gonna be free money. One tick, free money. One tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, if we break this, all right. I'll make it cleaner. I'll make it cleaner. No! What you doing? Excuse me. What you doing? Excuse me. Forbidden Jitsu right here. This is the Forbidden Jitsu. Free money Jitsu. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. Oh. It's not looking good, pandas. This is not looking good. Ooh, it's not looking good at all. Or free money. Or this could be free money. Come on. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Oh, oh, oh. I should have came out break even already. I should have already came out break even. The moment it tapped off my target like that, I should have came out break even. It doesn't take me out. Darn. Goodness! It tapped. It tapped. It tapped my target and reversed off of it. How rude. Shot me right in the tick. Doesn't even feel me. Oh, man. Let's just think about all the mistakes that were made today. This trade, that happened because I didn't reload my charts. I saw a second entry long here. Unfortunately. Ends up making a nice break a trend to new low. And then reverses up. Which makes sense. Here, try to go long on a higher low setup. I didn't draw this trend line, but I thought maybe trading range double bottom. Could swing it to the top. Ends up reversing quite hard. I go short here. I actually end up making money here. And then, right on a second entry short. And then try to go long here. And it taps my target. And it's reversing. And it could be ultimately, well, it's an L4 setup. And maybe looking for a new low. Looking for this ledge here. Also 10,000 tick chart. Hitting its head right on the 20 EMA. And the 5-minute chart. Not really hitting its head anywhere, but strong move down. Maybe looking for a new low. At least test the 20 EMA here. So it is what it is. Pandas. Hope you guys did better than me. I'm negative 750 and yeah, I'm trading this 50k account real loose right now. Real loose. And just a strong downtrend. I just saw a good setup for a long. And it does touch my target. Doesn't feel me though. Unfortunately. And what can you do? What can you do? What can you do? It is what it is. Tomorrow hopefully will be a better day. I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. 9:15 for the mainstream. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.